There it is, the Travis Scott X Air Jordan 4 Purple Suede. Just look at that color. The deep purple suede instantly grabs your attention. It's smooth, premium, and gives off that luxurious yet streetwear-ready vibe. This pair was originally a Friends and Family exclusive, meaning only a select few got their hands on them. But now, we get to take a closer look at this masterpiece. Now, let's talk about the materials, because Jordan Brand really went all out on this one. The entire upper is covered in rich purple suede, and let me tell you, the quality is top tier. It's soft to the touch, giving the sneaker a premium feel that stands out from your standard Jordan 4 releases. Moving on, we've got black accents on the wings and midsole, which contrast perfectly against the purple. And then you've got that classic netting on the side panels and tongue, staying true to the Jordan 4's signature look. Now, let's talk about the small details that make this sneaker truly unique. First, on the back heel tab, we've got Travis Scott's signature, Cactus Jack, branding on one shoe and the Jumpman logo on the other. This split branding has become a signature touch for Travis Scott collabs, making them instantly recognizable. Now, if you're wondering where I got these from, let me introduce you to RSNOW.net, one of the best websites for high-quality sneakers at unbeatable prices. They offer a massive collection of Jordans, Dunks, Yeezys, and much more. The best part? You get premium quality without breaking the bank. I know a lot of people ask, is this website legit? Well, don't just take my word for it, check out RepSneaker.net's reviews on Trustpilot. They have tons of positive feedback from real customers who have received their orders and love the quality. Trustpilot is a great way to verify the credibility of a site, so if you're skeptical, go ahead and check out their page before making a purchase. And now, let's talk about their insane New Year deals. From January 15th to January 23rd, you can get some crazy discounts. Check this out, Air Jordan 4 for just $79. Nike Dunk for only $89. Air Jordan 1 Low for $89. And if you're a Wu-Tang fan, you can grab the Dunk High Wu-Tang for $119. This is the perfect time to grab your favorite pairs at a fraction of the price. And here's where it gets even better. You can stack these deals with additional discounts. Use code 2025 for 14% off all orders. Use code NY18 for 18% off orders over $255. And, of course, use our exclusive discount code RSNOW for 15% off. One thing I really appreciate about RepSneaker.net is their customer service. Their support team is super responsive, always ready to help with any questions about sizing, shipping, or tracking your order. They genuinely care about customer satisfaction, which is why they have such great reviews. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a returning customer, they make sure you have a smooth shopping experience. So, if you're looking for high-quality sneakers at the best prices, RepSneaker.net is the place to go. Don't forget to use the discount code RSNOW to get an extra 15% off your order. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. Let me know in the comments what sneaker you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RSNOW Unbox for more awesome content. See you in the next video, peace.